Beloved South Africans, greetings to you all. How glad we are to meet you for the first time. Welcome to this channel, and we hope you'll have a good time with us. How to make money online in South Africa with SA citizens. That is what we're going to break down in this video. If you want to make real money, I'm talking about getting paid straight to your bank account type of money. Please watch till the end. Thereafter, you'll decide if you want to move on with your life or you want to take action towards expanding your streams of income. But before we get into spicy stuff, let's tell you the purpose of SA Citizens. Our purpose is to promote talent in South Africa through videos and podcasts, and also bring oneness to the Rainbow Nation by citizens sharing their personal experience stories under certain topics that are suggested by other citizens, and those who are willing to share their stories via voice recording or vlog will stand a chance to win 200 Rand. How? Okay, those who share their stories will be featured on the 10 Different Stories weekly video series on this YouTube channel, and there will be a link in the description on that video that will direct a citizen or viewer to the voting page on our website to vote for their favorite story, and that is where they will vote as much as they can for free. After 7 days, the story with the highest vote wins 200 Rand, and it will be paid straight to their bank account. Simple as that. So how can you make money on this website, even if you are not willing to be in front of the camera or voice record yourself to share stories? First, you can make money by suggesting topics for citizens to share their personal experience stories under by sending the topic that you suggest on WhatsApp to 060-516-9468, your name plus your social media handles. If we pick your topic, it will be the next topic of the 10 Different Stories video series, and then you will be rewarded with up to 50 Rand of airtime. The other easy way is that you can stand yourself a chance to win up to 500 Rand in cash or weekly prizes by participating in the community by adding new members to our Facebook group, voting, sharing, and subscribing to this channel, of course. You can also make money on our website by sharing your dancing videos, and as mentioned earlier, by sharing stories. You can visit our website to know more in the facts page. The link to our website is in the description below. Please, let's grow this platform together. You can participate by subscribing to this channel, join the Facebook group, and visit our website to find out more. The first topics for 10 Different Stories will be announced on our website on the 13th of July 2020. The first topic to have 10 stories or more before the 23rd of July 2020 will be the first video of the series. By mid-August, we are planning to add a Get Paid to Watch YouTube Videos option, where you will get paid to simply watch YouTube videos. Please like this video, that will help it get more exposure. Subscribe and click on the bell icon. Leave a comment. We will be actively answering your comments. Take care.